Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies using Milo. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees C and line an 8-inch pan. Melt 125 g butter and stir in 200 g sugar until smooth, then add 2 eggs one at a time. Fold 100 g Milo, 150 g flour, and 1 teaspoon baking powder gently to retain air. Pour batter evenly and bake for about 20 minutes until a toothpick shows moist crumbs. I like a gentle, rhythmic mixing approach that keeps brownies tender and rich. Start by creaming butter and sugar until slightly pale, then add eggs slowly so the mixture stays emulsified. When you add Milo and flour, fold with a spatula using wide strokes to preserve air bubbles. Scrape the bowl often to ensure no dry pockets remain. This method gives a moist interior and a crackly top I love. Baking is a quiet waiting game that rewards patience and a steady oven. Keep the temperature consistent at 180 degrees C and avoid opening the door early so your brownies set evenly. Check with a toothpick near the center. Moist crumbs mean fudgy texture, while wet batter needs more time. Let brownies cool in the pan for about 10 minutes so edges relax, then move them to a rack to cool completely before slicing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.